A million times, yes. Yeah, a million times, yes.
Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by today's video, I'm going to be doing passion twists. So yeah, it is Sunday. In my last video, I told you guys that I got the hair on Saturday, or I was getting the hair on Saturday, and I was either going to do it that Saturday or the Sunday, but turns out I didn't have any mousse, so I waited till Sunday and I went and I got the mousse. When I take my hair out this little turban thing, I don't want to hear it because my hair looks a mess. I look a mess. Anyways, y'all know the deal. I'm about to put on my glasses. I'm going to be parting, moisturizing, and then installing the hair. So what I'm going to be using to moisturize my hair and part it, so I'm going to be using water. And this is like a whipped shea butter mixture. It's shea butter, coconut oil, and olive oil. So it's really good moisturizing for my hair. So I'm going to be using this and water. And we'll see how that goes. To part my hair, I'm going to be using a rat tail comb. I just got this one off AliExpress for like 50 something cents. And then I'm going to be using rubber bands of the rubber. They didn't break my hair in the last style, so I'm assuming they're not gonna break my hair in this style either. So yeah, let's get started on this madness. Okay, we're back, and I'm looking crazy. But this is all that I have left, which is gonna be either 4 or 6 rows. I'm not sure yet.
What you gonna do with all of that? Ain't gotta say a word. I know what's up. You can have it all. Watch me whip it up. I'll admit it. You got me feeling hella loved. Even when it's going down, know that we gon' live it up. Young shot caller, always been a baller. Know that you the one. I can feel it in my heart. Yeah, I won't stop charging. We going come harder. I can see you and I way beyond the stars, girl. I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life.
This Shine and Jam. I don't even know if y'all can see it on my fingers. Let's see.
It feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now.
Okay, I am back. I'm obviously tired. It is like after 11. I started this at like, I want to say 5:30-ish. Now we're gonna get started on putting the actual hair in. So these are the passion twists. These are the singular ones. These are not the pre-twisted ones. This is 18 inches in the color T1B27, and this is 18 inches long. It comes with a crochet needle, which I already have one, and then it comes with some, what are these called? Like the hair jewelry and some rubber bands, but I have my own rubber bands. So let's take this hair out the packet. So there's 7 packs of hair in this package. It was about $36, I want to say. So here's the jewelry that came in there. And a crochet hook, which I already have one of, but it's nice to have another one in case I lose that one. This is all the hair in the package. It's just this card. And then on the back, it just has like a little note from ToyoTress. So thank you to ToyoTress for sending me this hair. It has like a slight smell, nothing too crazy. It's already kind of like tangled just a little bit. I don't know about that. What I'm gonna do for the little frame at the end already. I'm just gonna clean it up by just kind of snipping it. So yeah, I'm gonna come back when I'm almost done because I don't want to like be sitting here giving y'all the wrong information when I don't know how to put these in myself. So I will come back when I am on my last few and I will show y'all how I did it just when I get the hang of it. So I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back and I figured out a strategy. This is what I have done so far. I think it's what, 3 rows? That's what I've done. Okay, so basically you're gonna get your 2 strands. It'll look like this. And you're gonna take your strand. One strand just looks like this, okay? So you're gonna take out the strand, you're gonna hold it by the middle. And you're just going to kind of open it up just a little bit. And you're gonna run your finger through it. Just like that. Boom, that's how you stretch the hair. So that's one part. Do the same thing to the second hair. And you're gonna get both of them. You're gonna put them together. You're gonna twist them. Like so. And then you're gonna get your little crochet hook. Let me move this one out the way. You get your crochet hook. And you're going to open it, make sure it's open, push it through, you're gonna hook it on, close the latch, pull it through, you're gonna find that opening again, open your latch, let all that hair go, then you're going to pull one side through, just kind of straighten out the hair. Straighten it out, make it even, and you're gonna take your hair, split it in 2, and fasten it, tighten it, whatever you want to call it. And you're going to give 1/2 to each section, and then you're just gonna start twisting.
Say that it feels right.
And if it's too tight at your root, just slide your rubber band down. That's what I'm doing because I don't want any bumps.
So right, so right, so right. I'm just going with the gut. Never had a doubt, felt like this is just a must. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now. We know I ain't ballin' yet. Hoes wanna holler, oh no, I don't call them back. Girl, let me see you hold it down, we gon' have a blast. Cause I just wanna know what you gonna do with all of that. Ain't gotta say a word, I know what's up. You can have it all, watch me whip it up. I'll admit it, you got me feeling hella loved. Even when it's going down, know that we gon' live it up. Young shot caller, always been a baller. Know that you the one, I can feel it in my heart, yeah. Won't stop charging me, going come harder. I can see you and I, way beyond the stars, girl. I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. It feels right.
So I will come back to you guys when I'm on my last one, and then I will show you guys me foaming my hair. Putting mousse on my hair to like set it, and then I'll be back tomorrow or whenever to show y'all the final product. Okay, I just got done. Honestly, this is really dense. This is a bit too dense for my liking, but I don't know. I mean, I like it, but at the same time, it's a bit much right now. I think I have to get used to it, or maybe I have to sleep on it because it's a bit bulky to me right now. I'm gonna set my hair with some mousse. I don't really know how to do this, I'm gonna shake it because it says to shake it. How do you do this? Oh. Ooh, she smells good.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just for us now.
Who let me get moose? Bitch, if all my hair frizzes up, I'd be so upset. Not high key. Oh, bitch, that looks flat. Oh, period, poo. Alright, we're gonna get the back of my head now. Bitch, I look when I do it again. But let me not. Let me calm down.
Saying that it feels right.
Okay, I'm going to put my do-rag on for like 5 minutes and let that kind of sit. So the parts with my hair sticking out, I'm low-key just gonna cover up and go about my day, okay? I feel like these jewels look really random, but I don't care. I like it. This hair is gonna have to grow on me a little bit more, but for right now, it's gonna have to do. Okay, hey guys, it is literally like a week, like 8 days later that I said I was gonna come back and show y'all like the final product and how I styled it and this, that, and the fourth, and it, like it's been a week, okay? Again, this hair is from ToyoTress, so thank you for them for giving me this hair. It is the 18-inch Passion Twist in the color T1B27. Y'all, this is such a like summery hairstyle. I feel real good with this hair. I put some jewels in it. Y'all saw when I put the jewels in there. And I like it most right now in this half up, half down kind of style, like out of my face. So yeah, I would do this style again. I think next time I want to do kind of like maybe a red burgundy, you know the deal. But yeah, that is it for this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and follow me on all my social media down below in the description box. But that is all for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.
I've been keeping it real talk.